Hey, Max. Well, we made it to the end of kindergarten, buddy. Definitely not the way that I don't think any of us ever imagined. But here we are. I'm in the classroom all by myself, and I'm like, man, I really wish you guys were here with me. It is way too quiet. I had to pack up all your stuff, and it is way more fun when you guys are here with me. But since we couldn't be together, I wanted to let you know what award I picked for you. So this award will be in the bag that you're going to pick up on Friday. But the award I picked for you is the Quality Student Award for being a top quality student because you rocked kindergarten this year. You were an excellent student. You never complained. You always did your best. You took your time and you gave top quality work all the time. And you really blew my socks off this year at your reading and math, actually with everything you did. So I wanted to thank you for being an amazing student this year. And I wish we could have ended the year differently, but I really do miss you and I hope you have a wonderful summer. Mwah! Have a good summer.